I wanted to transition to SaaS sales. So, that program was 4 months long. Across those 4 months, we hardly had about 4, 5 sessions focused on cold calling, cold emailing, prospecting, skills that are essential for a SaaS sales rep. And so all the sessions that were based on GTM, on venture capital, I think those were not relevant to me. And those sessions took a lot of time, big mismatch between my expectations, my goals, and what they were. There were a bunch of people who wanted to build their own startup. There were people like me who wanted to break into SaaS sales, or people who were transitioning from edtech to SaaS and other industries to SaaS. And it was a very good mix of people. All of those people did not have the same goal, and that is why I think it was not a good idea to put everyone in a single cohort and teach all of them together. After I completed that program, I joined a company, and when I joined that company, when I was doing my job, I realized that there were a lot of things that I did not know, and I was learning those things, figuring things out while working, while doing my job. But that's when I felt like my confidence was also dipping,
So
and I
does
was
the
not really
company
thriving in my job,
track it
and
for
it
that?
did not even work out well for me in that job. I left in about 4 months. So I thought before joining another company,
but
based
if
on
only
another
everybody's
job, it
doing
would
it.
be
But
a
I
good
would
option
say
I
you
can
don't need to
really
rely on
upskill and
managers
also to
for that.
make sure that I feel
You
100%
should be doing
confident
it.
when
That
I
is what's
step
going
into
to
my next
differentiate you
job.
from the
So
rest of the
when I
everyone.
joined School of SDR,
Because
my
if you
goal was
think
that
your
I learn
manager
things that
is
are
going to
going
keep
to
a
be
track
truly
of
helpful for
that,
me
and
as
then
a SaaS BDR,
God
and
forbid you
then
got a manager
absolutely kill it at
who's
my next job. So
running the
what
thing on
felt different
autopilot,
was
don't
that
stress. Sorry for the language,
my goals
but
and the things
that's
that
going to
were
be
taught
there.
at School of SDR really aligned. I wanted
So
to
you
get
need
into
to
SaaS sales. I mean, I was already in SaaS sales, but I wanted to really become the top 1% SDRs in SaaS. So I think that way, the entire focus being on SaaS sales skills, the skills required to be a good outbound sales rep, really covered very well, very comprehensively in the program. I definitely felt more confident, and 2 weeks into the program, I already had a very good offer, and the plan was to complete the rest of the program. Interviewing at ChargeBee, I was very relaxed, very chilled out. I had no pressure because I already had an offer I was happy with, and that way I think it helped me perform better throughout my interviews. I would personally recommend is that I understand that you've invested money, time, you've put your faith in someone who did not really fulfill your expectations, but it's important to get over it. I think you don't have to be embarrassed that you did one program and now you have to do another one. I think do what's best for you, and if it helps you get results, I think it's worth the money, it's worth the time that you invest into it. And yeah, I just say move on. Don't feel embarrassed or ashamed that you have to pursue another program. Do what's best for you. So I think shifting from B2C to B2B is not just a job switch, but an entire mindset switch. The things that you do in a B2C sales job, they're very different from what you do as a B2B BDR, SDR. So I think you might land a job without training for sure if you're good at your job, if you're a good sales rep, if you can communicate well, you might land a job. But to really perform well in that job, to get into President's Club, to become the top 1% performing SDRs, it's important to go through the fundamentals. It's important to go through a certain level of training, and not every company invests in training for their BDRs, and not every company actually provides the quality of training that should be provided for BDRs to do well. So if you have the opportunity of doing something for yourself, I definitely suggest go ahead and do it.